she did something amazing. She created something I felt absolutely in love with.
Hey guys, it's Kim here with Fairly Fiber Fun. Thanks so much for joining me on today's final wrap-up session of the Fleece to Custom Cardi series.
This process probably took over a year from our very first conversation on talking about making me a sweater, which I actually didn't ever expect to actually happen.
So I took a bunch of different fibers that are super soft, blended them all together, and used a pattern that I heavily tweaked to create a very customized cardigan for my sister to her exact specifications.
I tend to itch really badly to wool. My skin is hypersensitive to textures and feelings, and the fibers in the wool itself are very itchy to me.
Now, I mailed this off several months ago, maybe over a year ago. I don't even remember now. It's been a while. And I just received the review video recently that she filmed.
Hello, welcome to my video here. I'm so happy to be sitting with you guys today. And I want to thank my sister for all of the effort she put into creating me my dream sweater.
Now, I live in Georgia, she lives in Texas, so this was a really difficult project to do. She couldn't do a bunch of try-ons so that I could tweak it and fix it, and I think I knit each section of the sweater about 3 or 4 times, some of them more than that. It took 5 different patterns for me to find one that worked, and it was crazy. So anyway, this is the culmination, this is the wrap-up, this is the review, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. She makes me sound like a magician.
Now, let me roll back a little bit. My sister is a fiber artist. She fell in love with yarn and the creation of yarn. She likes to use natural fibers. She can use silk, she can use wool, she can use llama, wool, rabbit, fur. Anyway, you name it, she can spin it. She can turn these fibers into a blend. She'll take different ones from different pieces, blend them together, and make her own type of fiber blend. This is an amazing process, which I gotta learn very coolly, as she explained to me how she was gonna find me a blend that my body could handle, because my body does not like wool. And she says, there are more than one type of wool out there. Each sheep has their own type of wool, and I'm gonna find you a blend that your body can handle. And she did it. Oh my goodness, I was so amazed.
Which I just loved. I do want to say welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are a returning viewer. If you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button, and don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments down in the section below what you think about this whole entire project.
She happened to find me a blend. I think there's some silk in there, there's some specific wool blends in there. You'll have to ask her, because I don't remember the names of all of these. This is all Greek to me. I'm a computer programmer. I can do some basic arts and crafts. I can do some design work, but when it comes down to knowing the ins and outs of fiber artistry, not me, but I know where to send you. Fairly Fiber Fun. Anyway, so one day, after all of this planning and going back and forth and giving her full reign to create this sweater, with very few requirements from me, and she did something amazing. She created something I felt absolutely in love with. It is my favorite sweater, and I wear it and take it with me almost everywhere. Of course, now it's summer, it's Texas, or coming close to summer now. I'm pretty sure it won't be worn near as often, but it will still come with me, say I'm on an airplane and I want to stay nice and cozy because it's cold up in the sky, you know, things like that. I'm bringing my sweater. You know, it came to me in this nice little nifty package, and I pulled it out that day I got it, I was sick with COVID, so I did not feel up to showing my sisters the absolute delight of me opening the package. But here it is. Here is my amazing sweater. I'm so excited. Oh, look at the grays in this. These are natural grays. They're darker grays and lighter grays, almost a white. And then she added some splash of color. She added my favorite colors. There's blues, there's purples, there's like a, kind of like the color of my shirt, turquoisey green. I absolutely love. And she just added it throughout the entire sweater. I don't know how she does this dyeing and making the yarn do what she wants, but she does it, and she's amazing at it. Here's the sweater. Oh my goodness, look at these long sleeves. They're a little bit extra long. She also sent me how to care and take care of this project and put it back into shape after washing, should I need to wash it. It has this nice little cuff around the arm sleeves. She did this absolutely beautiful, amazing design all the way around the entire sweater. It goes all the way around the back, up the front, over the hood, around the back. It borders the entire sweater. I absolutely love the design. The little bit of, this is your sweater and this is your unique to you piece. The whole thing is unique. She designed the entire thing with a little input for me, like the length and how long I wanted it, how I wanted it to sit on my body, things like that. She took measurements. She sent me the yarn back and forth as she created the fiber, I should say, as she created the fiber blend that my skin can handle. Then she sent me the yarn when it was done to make sure the final product was working for me.
So I had to hop in and tell you I did not design this sweater from the ground up. I took several different patterns and I looked at them and I mixed and matched different elements, and I finally found a pattern that seemed to work really well for what I envisioned for my sister and for her body and what we had discussed, and all I did was really tweak the math for it. Yes, it is customized, but I didn't create it from the ground up.
And here it is. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love this sweater. Oh, see how big and comfy it is? I added these clips. It came with its own clip. I already had these in mind though. And if I had been smart, I would have sent them to her and had her put them on so that I'm not missing a few. Here's the extra big comfy hood that I requested. And I love the final product. It is absolutely amazing.
Do you see all those little design elements that are so freaking cool? I love the little cable panel that goes down the side underneath the arm, and how it looks with that same cable pattern around the bottom of the sweater. That's something I added, and oh my gosh, was it difficult to turn the corners with that pattern, but I 20 times to do it and figured it out. Anyway, so cool. All these little design elements that are just extra and so freaking cool.
Love it. Thank you, Kim. Please reach out to her in Purely Fiber Fun. Get your yarn from her. If you have a wool sensitivity or a yarn sensitivity, or you have questions regarding dyeing, colors, and batches, reach out to her. Oh my gosh, she's amazing. I absolutely love the work she does. I love the passion that she has in her product and what the work ethic she has, what she enjoys doing it. She reaches out. She's just amazing at it. If she doesn't know about it, she will know about it. And from my understanding, every customer that gets yarn from her absolutely loves the fibers that she creates, the blends that she creates, and the yarn she makes. And I keep trying to get socks from her. Yeah, maybe one of these days. But this beats socks a long shot. Love it. And no itching. Doesn't bother me. I'm wearing a tank top. I can wear a tank top. I don't have to wear a long sleeve shirt. Normally when I wear wool, I have to wear a long sleeve shirt. Can't have it touching my face or neck. So absolutely amazing. If I had it, I'm sure I have the details somewhere of all the blends that she put in here. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Kim. Reach out to our Barely Fiber Fun Instagram, Facebook, YouTube channel, and she has a little store, and it's amazing. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, Becky, for this awesome review, customer service review, process review, and final product review. All of the above. Awesome, amazing. You had me blushing through most of it and giggling through several parts. You made me sound like a magician. You make me sound way more awesome than I actually am. But it was so cool to hear your version of the story. And like I've said earlier, there will be a full list of all the fibers used down in the show notes, and you can see them in every single video of this series. And I hope you enjoyed it. I love this review. It was amazing. So I hope you enjoyed getting to know my sister Becky a little bit. And yeah, it's such a great little video. I am going to let you guys go, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.